morning students, welcome back. So last time we have completed the chapter alkynes and the PDF of the notes of alkenes I have already sent. Okay, and the remaining PDF of the notes for the parts which are taught, okay, that also you will get. So completion of the chapter of alkynes in our last lecture, and today we start with the last chapter of organic chemistry, that is in the hydrocarbons, heading of hydrocarbons in the organic chemistry section. In our syllabus we have the last chapter, aromatic hydrocarbons. Now we start with the concept of aromatic hydrocarbons. First, definition. So aromatic hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbons which will contain at least one benzene ring. Now you know what is benzene ring. That's why we have taken an example here. So benzene having molecular formula C6H6, and this is the structure of benzene, C6. Okay, there are 6 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 hydrogens. One carbon will contain one hydrogen. So C6H6. These are some examples of aromatic hydrocarbons. Of course, first one will be benzene. Of course, because the main part of the aromatic hydrocarbon, that is benzene. Okay, next one we have the example of naphthalene. This also contains benzene ring. Then we have anthracene also, some more example in the text that you can refer. So Kekulé, this particular chemist, he gave the structure for benzene. He suggested the structure for benzene. Okay, this is the structural formula for benzene. Okay, structural formula for benzene. C6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hydrogen 6. And alternate double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. So that is benzene. This you can also directly, again we can write as we have written here. So the structure was given by the Kekulé. But very important part, dear students, the aromaticity. Okay, aromatic compounds. Okay, in the term itself, aromatic hydrocarbons, aroma means sweet smell, sweet odor means smell. तो ये जो aromatic compounds जो भी होंगे, ओके, उनको एक peculiar एक odor रहता है, एक fragrance रहता है, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं aroma means sweet fragrance. ओके, तो वो एक उनका physical property है. But the main part is aromaticity, कि एक पर्टिकुलर कंपाउंड आपको दिया जाएगा और आपको फाइंड आउट कैसे करना है, वो कंपाउंड का स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला लिखना है, एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट वेदर इट इज एरोमेटिक और नॉट. दैट्स व्हाई दिस पर्टिकुलर केमिस्ट ही गिव वन रूल. ओके, हक्केल्स रूल. ओके, हक्केल्स द केमिस्ट ही गिव वन रूल टू फाइंड आउट द एरोमेटिसिटी ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन. So we have one formula here, 4n plus 2 pi. If the given given compound is containing 4n plus 2 pi electrons, okay, where n stands for 1, 2, 3 and so on, okay, whole numbers. So if they are containing, after substituting the values, whatever number of electrons, pi electrons you get, pi, then the given hydrocarbon will be aromatic. So we start, for example, we have a compound benzene only, this one, benzene. So N, okay, so here N here, okay, N here stands for the benzene ring. So how many benzene rings here? 1. So substitute N is equal to 1. So 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 pi electrons are there here. Just we'll see. Double bond means one bond is sigma, one bond is pi. So 2 electrons here, 2 electrons here, and 2 electrons here. So we have 6 electrons, 5 electrons. That's why benzene ring is aromatic. Then you take apply the rule for naphthalene also. There are 2 benzene rings. So you substitute n is equal to 2. So 4 to the 8 plus 2 10. 10 pi electrons will count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10. See the pi bonds. 5 pi bonds into 2, that means 10 electrons. So such compounds are called aromatic compounds according to Haeckel's rule of aromaticity. Now the different positions in the benzene ring very important. As in the remaining chapter we are going to only study the concept of benzene, preparation of benzene, chemical reactions of benzene. Okay, since it is a very important class of aromatic hydrocarbon benzene, that's why you have to study all the concepts of benzene. So this part is very important. You have to identify the position of different carbon atoms giving the numbering. 6 start from here and 6 carbon atoms. So second and sixth position is called ortho position. Ortho carbon atoms. This carbon atom and this ortho. Third and fifth this, and this carbon atom fifth row. This will be meta. And we have fourth carbon atom which is para. Okay, related to the first carbon atom. All the positions are given the names considering the first carbon atom as the main carbon atom in the benzene. Okay, so dear students, in this part also, after this part directly you can study the last part where is the uses of benzene and physical properties of benzene. Theory part hai. Okay, just go through the four physical properties of 4 uses of benzene, whatever they are given. Okay, so that in the next lecture we will continue with the preparation of benzene, 2 methods only, and then chemical reactions of benzene, which will again wind up the chapter of last chapter of organic chemistry in your syllabus. Okay, so dear students, just go through this and wait for the PDF. Okay, notes. Then you can enter the notes in your chemistry copy. So just watch this video. Okay, keep your doubts ready, and then we'll continue with the new chapter from section 1. Okay, might be chapters related to physical chemistry, okay, and organic chemistry already we have done. So physical and inorganic chemistry will cover in section 1. So study well, take care, okay, and wait for the next lecture and PDFs, notes. Okay, take care once again.